hard because I look at that sideways trading and I go, God dang it, SPY, do something. Either are you going to go up or are you going to go down? Because the sideways shit is pissing me off. So yeah,
But I thought you
that's
liked
how
the
I feel about
sideways. I thought you liked the
it. Well,
sideways plays.
I do like it sideways, but I guess I'm still thinking like a swing trader. I like the the bigger swoops and because to me, I guess, and that's another thing probably that's frustrating me is or the pressure that I'm putting on myself. I'm wanting a larger payback or a profit than I'm getting, right? So so
So
these
wait.
trades here that you
Small interruption then. What's
yeah.
large percent wise?
Oh, percent wise, I don't know percent wise. I have I guess a dollar figure in my head is like would be nice.
Let's
I guess I have
I'll phrase it a different way. So if the option
okay.
contract's $1, what's large? What does it need to go to? $1.10 is 10% of a gain, which is the
Oh.
exact trade that. So where is it? Where's Malik's thing? Since he's the last one we looked at. So Malik's thing from buying here,
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3 candles only in his favor is 10%. So the real question should be, are you not fine with a 10% gain and you want like 20%? Because if you want a 20% gain and if you want to just play with the percents, then that just means that maybe you want a 10% move on one place and then a 10% move in another one. So you only need 2 trades or 4 trades that are 5% gains, which realistically is only like a candle and a half.
Hmm.
That's all you need for 5%.
Okay,
But
so you're saying that
but yeah,
yeah. Okay. So a 10% move is literally a 10-cent move. Is that what you're saying as far as the option contract price goes?
yep. If it's a flat dollar of the option, yeah, which is usually what we buy anyway.
Yeah. But if
So
it's not a flat dollar, then that 10-cent move is not 10% necessarily, or
well, not necessarily. So it's like, hey, the question is, what's 10% of a dollar, right? It's 10 cents, so that's that.
uh
But if it's 50 cents, if the price of the contract is 50 cents, I'm not that good at math. Whatever 10% of 50 cents is that, which I would imagine is much lower of a cent move. So it just varies. But either way, to bring it back home is that you don't need that much of candle movement to get 10% of a move. To get a 10%
huh.
move, like I said, it's just in this case just 3 candles. 5% move is like a candle and a half. So when people
Okay.
sometimes join the program before they do, they're like, "Man, I want to get a move from 447.5 on down to 446.5, like a whole dollar
Uh,
move." Well,
yeah.
that'd be great, I guess, but from an option perspective, what is that? That's maybe like 10, 20, 30, 40, maybe 40 to 50% of a gain, which is insane, right? That's
Okay.
good. People get it all the time, depending on when they're
Okay.
doing it, if it's like all up trending, down trending, whatever it is. But I mean, how much like the SPY on an annual basis moves 6 to 7% or something like that, if I remember correctly.
Mm-hmm.
So to get a 10% gain is technically unheard of. So the real question again, back to you, is 10% not enough if that's more than the national average?
Well, when you put it in that context and that perspective, yes. Um, I was thinking in more dollars and cents versus percentages.
Hmm.
And so when you're trading with 5 contracts or 10 contracts,
Hmm.
um, a 10% move wasn't what I guess I guess I'm trying to put the cart before the horse in a sense.